Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are moving to the problem search insert position. So read the question. Given a sorted array of distinct integers and a target value. While reading the question, understand they are given an array. The elements in the array are in sorted order and all are distinct. That means there is no common element. That is all are unique elements. Along with the array, they given one more variable. Now, return the index if the target is found. Suppose if the target is available, you need to return at which position the target is available. If not, that means if the target is not available in the array, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in the order. Think you got it? If the target is not available, you need to identify the position where the target is to be inserted such that the elements must be in sorted order. The elements are already in sorted order. You need to identify the position where should be inserted. You must write an algorithm with big O of log n. Now we will see the example. First to array target is 5 is available. Yes. So what is the position? 0, 1, 2. The output is 2. Now 1, 3, 5, 6. The target is equal to 2. Target is not available. So in which position we insert the target, the sorted order is not violated. What is the position? So after 1, before 3. So at position number 1. For this 1, 3, 5, 6, the target is inserted at 0, 1, 2, 3 at 4th position. You got it? That is the question they are given. Now we will solve according to that one. Now what are the 3 cases? Understand the cases. Target is available. Return the index. That is the first one. Target is available. Now, how can you check? For I in range of length of nums. So, if at any point of time, nums of I is equal to target. What is the answer? At ith position, my target is available. Return I. Okay. Now, next one is, what is the next case? Consider this one, 1, 3, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5, 6. My target is equal to 2. First check, I is equal to 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Nums of 0 is equal to target. Yes or no? No. Now, check if this value already they are in sorted order. We are doing the comparison until the value is greater than target. For example, see, 2 is compared with 1. 2 is greater than. 2 is compared with 3. 2 is less than. That means we got the proper position. We got the proper position. Now, see what I am doing. If this is not equal, nums of I is greater than target. Understand? This is also very simple. Again, I am repeating. First, I is equal to 0. Nums of 0. What is the value? 1. 1 is equal to condition false. Now, nums of 0. What is the value? Nums of 0, 1. 1 greater than to false. That means my target is compulsory next to than this one. In the next iteration, I is equal to 1. Nums of 1. What is nums of 1? 3. Is equal to 2. Condition false. Now, nums of 1, 3 is greater than 2. I is equal to 0. My target is greater than. Yet I is equal to 1. My target is less than. That means this is the position. What is the position? I is equal to 1. Return I. You got it? I will explain with one more example. See, for example, 1, 3, 7, 10. Assume your target is equal to some 9. What is the procedure? 9 is compared with 1, 9 is greater than. 9 is compared with 3, 9 is greater than. 9 is compared with 7, 9 is greater than. 9 is compared with 10, 9 is less than. Stop. Whenever your target is less than any element, we are doing until target is greater than, repeat the loop. Whenever it is less than, stop. This is the position. This is the position, return I. And one more case is there. Suppose if the target is equal to 11, my entire array is completed. Where you are inserting 0, 1, 2, 3, you are inserting at position number 4, that is at last we are returning I plus 1. The program is very simple. Right? Understand carefully. Here, I am repeating a loop for scanning each and every element. Okay. In the process of scanning, at any point of time, if the value is equal to target, the first point they given, return the position. Suppose if it does not return, I am moving into else. Else, where you need to stop while scanning. If it is less value, move to the next element. Next value, move to the next element. At any point, if the array value is greater than target, means before only the element is inserted. What is that before value? Return I. Here they are asking just to return the position. You are not allowed to do any update. Suppose if the two conditions are failed, my entire for loop is completed. It does not return any value, means our value is greater than all the elements. So return I plus 1. Return I plus 1. Simple program. Sir, accepted successfully. Fine. Okay. The next session, we will move to one more problem.